Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever worked with messy data in Power BI, you know that extracting just the right information can be a real lifesaver, especially when prepping for those tricky interview questions. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to extract special characters from text fields using Power Query. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly pull out underscores, dashes, exclamation points, and basically any special character you need, right inside Power BI. This is a fantastic technique for cleaning data, validating user input, or just impressing your colleagues during a live demo. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. So first, picture you have a column called Customer Name, and it's filled with names like John Doe 123 and Mary Jane. You notice that in each name there's at least one special character, maybe an underscore, a dash, an asterisk. You get the idea. In real business scenarios, you might want to extract these special characters for pattern analysis, data validation, or even anonymization. That's exactly what we're going to do. The first step is to open up Power Query Editor. If you're in Power BI Desktop, just head over to the Home tab and click on Transform Data. That'll launch Power Query Editor in its own window. This is where the magic happens in terms of transforming and preparing your data before visuals. Next, make sure your table is loaded in Power Query. You can load an existing table, or if you just want to follow along for practice, you can create a new one pretty easily by clicking on Enter Data up in the toolbar. Just copy and paste your customer name values like John Doe 123, Mary Jane, Peter * Smith, Alice at Wonder, and Bob # Marley. Hit OK and you're ready to work with your data. Now for the key part, extracting just those special characters. We're going to add a new custom column for this. Go to the Add Column tab at the top, then click on Custom Column. This is where we get to write a bit of M code, which is Power Query's powerful formula language. Give your new column a clear name like special characters so you'll remember what it does later. Now in the formula box, you'll paste in a simple line of code. I've put this formula in the description for you. It uses the Text.Select function. The way Text.Select works is a bit like a filter. It looks at each character in your text and keeps only the ones you tell it to keep. In this case, you'll provide a list of special characters you're interested in, like the function will grab only those from each customer name entry. This part might feel a little technical, but don't worry if it's your first time. It's actually very flexible. If, for example, your business uses plus signs or dollar signs in names, you can just add those symbols to your list within the formula. Think of it like creating a magnet that only attracts certain metal objects in a pile of toys. You're specifying exactly what you want to pull out. Once you hit OK, you'll see a new column appears alongside customer name. For John Doe 123, you'll get an underscore. For Mary Jane, you'll see a dash and an exclamation point. Peter * Smith yields an asterisk. Alice at Wonder shows an @ symbol. And Bob # Marley gives you a hash. It's quick, accurate, and this is the best part, fully customizable. And just like that, you've extracted special characters from your text fields using Power Query, ready for whatever comes next in your data workflow. Whether you're prepping for an interview or just want to keep your data squeaky clean, this Power Query tip is sure to help. If you found this tutorial useful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more data magic coming your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.